Hello guys, this is Moses Jairaj. In the previous video, as I said, I'm stopping Minoxidil, and I'm for 3 months I'm going to try whether the Dermaroller works to fill the remaining patches of my beard. These were the patches. I stopped with Minoxidil for a while. Maybe in future I will use both Dermaroller and Minoxidil both at the same time to see how much effective it will be. But this year I am going to isolate only using Dermaroller twice a week. That was in the Wednesday today and in the Saturday, 2 times in a week. So let's see whether it works. I was in my washroom. Let's open it. It hasn't opened even yet. Let's read the things what it shows. Helps thickening of hair, prevent hair loss, stable and inflexible needles, repairs damaged hair, cross-line needle arrangement, penetrates hair root, no pain or discomfort, ultra sharp titanium needle tips. Okay. The one I bought is So True Dermaroller, So True Dermaroller from Amazon, from India. 540 titanium needles, 0.5 mm. Collagen stimulation, promotes hair growth, regeneration, skin tightening. Let's see the product. This is the product. This isn't a sponsor for me, but just I was seeing how it will go. This is the product, guys. This is the needles. I will wash it first. And I am going to wash my face with water. I'm going to wash my face. A bit of water. Okay. Now let's use the Dermaroller. This is first time for me too. It feels like nothing to me. I don't feel any damage or needle penetrating feeling. I feel like massaging my face with this. This is not only for hair and also for skin improvement too. I also used Minoxidil on my eyebrows previously. Okay guys, that's it. I'll wash it again and I'll put it in the box. I'll use it like 2 times in a week for 1 month. Let's see the results after that. I don't know, I never tried it. This was first to me too. I don't even know whether it works or not. This was just a try. And then in the next, after 3 months or after, again I start minoxidil. I will add Dermaroller with it, and I'll see the result whether it was increasing the rate of growth of hair or not, rather than using minoxidil alone. I will try that in the further months, in the following months, or in next year. Okay, guys, that's it, guys. See you in my next video.